What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. What we're going to be taking a look at here is Tesla. We're going to be going over the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the 1 hour time frame chart to kind of get a big macro overview of where potentially we could be heading. What should we be looking at? So if you're a day trader, a swing trader, an options trader, a scalper, this is definitely the channel and the video that you need to be watching. I make multiple videos a day. Okay, so I'm a full-time options day trader. I have nothing but time to kind of go over my technical analysis. I'm already doing the homework for myself. I might as well pass along my opinion and my analysis to you guys. So what we're looking at here, nice pullback today on Tesla. Congratulations to anyone that actually took that short position. Myself, as well as a couple of people from the Discord, actually got short off Tesla on the confirmation of those pre-market lows. Made a nice little bag off of that, kind of moved it along and kept it rolling. Now, obviously, we didn't hold it for the whole move. We're scalpers, predominantly going to be in and out of trades within the same hour, right? So we're just looking for a small piece of that pie. If we kind of look at where we closed at today, again, I've made this comment so many times before in the past, and it seems like every time, it comes to my mind and I think about it. 166.66. So many times, either the last three digits on Tesla have been 666, or it's closed right at one or at 666 in general. But anyways, that's besides the point. So what we're looking at here, we did pull back into rising support here. Now, no harm, no foul done. But what I do kind of want to point out is there's potentially still room for downside on Tesla that we kind of need to look at, right? So we could have an inside bar day tomorrow. There could be a little bit of a dead cat bounce. Personally, I'm going to be looking for more continued pullback in the overall markets, just due to the fact that it doesn't think that I think we're going to make a new low, right? We could, but I don't think it's going to happen this week. But what I'm saying is that this move that we've had the last month, 2 months, has been a phenomenal move, right? It's not like you can be upset about, 1 day of pullback, right? If you have not been making money on Tesla from $101.81 all the way up to highs of almost $170, $180, that's your fault, right? That's completely your fault. Don't get mad now that you bought Tesla long Friday and now you're sitting in a bunch of drawdown. You bought into supply, you bought into a 2-3 week run up here. A little bit of a pullback is healthy. We can continue to go higher. What I'm looking at here is anything through today's lows. You have your next support at 164, so we got about $2 worth of room there. But the level that I'm really looking at here is this 158.92. I'd like to see us pull back into the 158.92. I'm going to show you on some of the different time frames how I think we can get there. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame here and I kind of bring this up so we can see it very nice and clear, you can see that today we pulled right back into the 1 hour 50-day moving average, right? So you see this red line. This is the 50-day moving average on Tesla. We've got a lower Bollinger Band sitting at 163. So again, that's about $3 worth of room where we can kind of capitalize and take advantage of that. But I'm looking at this channel level here. All of this after hours action here below 165, below this 50-day moving average. There's a lot of room down potential on Tesla. And we're looking at a price point of around 157. Now, if we did pull back to 157, it would still be bullish, right? We're still over macro demand, right? We're still over those macro daily levels. That would be an awesome pullback to kind of make some money on the short side, let things kind of consolidate and digest, and then we kind of ride it back up. If we continue to lose levels of demand, we can certainly play below 153.80. That's kind of what I think and I can see happening. I can see us coming down and at least testing the mid 150s. That would be a level to look at. But if you guys kind of look at the overall picture here, let me pull up this weekly time frame chart. I want to show you just how much room is possible on Tesla, right? So if you look at this weekly chart, and you look at this purple line that's right here in the middle, right? You look at this purple line. We got rejected last week. We got rejected today. Now, obviously, this is a weekly candle, so it's not going to close until the end of the week. But if we don't confirm and get over that 20-day moving average, well, then I can see us coming back into rising support here between the 5 and 10-day moving average at around $150, right? So $150 would be my potential price target for a short position if we do have continued moves to the downside. Now, before we start talking about coming down to the lows, we would have to close below 142, which is the weekly 5 5-day moving average, we would have to close below 142 this week to see a continued flush, potentially down to these lows here of that $100 to $105 range. Again, that's long term, that's down the line. It's not going to happen this week. Might happen next week. Maybe it doesn't happen at all, right? But we need to be prepared for it on both sides. Now, if we do start to lose steam and then we catch some support here at around 155, that level that I'm looking at, and we start to reverse. If we happen to get over 183.70 on Tesla, $200 is my next price target. That's exactly how I'm going to play it. I'm not looking for anything else. I'm looking for the short through today's lows on that 1 hour chart like I just showed you. I'm looking to catch support somewhere in the 150s, right? 155-ish. If we lose 142, I'm definitely 10% short bias to retest those $100 lows. And obviously, if we start to reclaim 183, I'm bullish into 200. That's my analysis on Tesla for the week. That's what I think it can do. That's what I'll be waiting for. And those are the trades that I'm looking to take. If you guys want to trade with me and you want to learn my strategies and you want to, have a mentor, a coach, or maybe you guys just want to trade with other traders, bounce ideas off of each other. There's a lot of great traders in the room. Definitely join the Discord. It's completely free to join. If you want more, out of it, you can definitely get more out of it, but that's completely up to you. But what I'm saying is I will see you guys all tomorrow. I'm on a video making spree here. And I'm doing all my homework, getting all my homework done now. It's not about what you think happens after the market's open. It's about all of the work you put in before the market opens. I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you guys all next time.